In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add footer in Freshsales emails. In Freshsales, the footer that shows up at the bottom of your one-to-one emails is your email signature. Once it is set up, Freshsales will automatically add it for you when you compose an email, which helps keep your messages consistent and professional. To begin, sign into your Freshsales account and look at the top right corner of the screen. You will see your profile icon there. Click that profile icon to open the menu, then select Personal Settings. This is where Freshsales stores the personal preferences tied to your user, including email-related options. Once you are in Personal Settings, find and open the Email Settings tab. This section controls how outgoing emails behave for your account, and it is where you can configure the signature that acts like a footer in your messages. Now scroll down until you reach the Email Signature section. This is the editor where you can build the footer content that will appear beneath your email text. Start by typing the information you want to include, such as your name, title, company, or any short closing line you use often. You can also add links, like a website or scheduling link, using the linking options in the editor. If you want your footer to look more branded, you can insert an image, such as a logo. To do that, click the image icon in the signature editor and choose the image you want to add. Keep images small and clean so your signature loads quickly and looks good on mobile devices. It also helps to avoid using too many different fonts or colors, since simple formatting tends to display more consistently across email clients. When you are happy with your signature, click Save. From this point forward, Freshsales will automatically pre-fill that signature in your one-to-one emails, so you do not have to rewrite it each time. If you ever need to update your footer, you can return to the same email signature section and save your changes again. That covers everything you need to know.